Imagine a creature. It moves through our world, completely unseen. It hunts not with tooth or claw. It does not roar or stalk its prey in the open. Instead, it arrives silently. It can be carried on the wind. It can hide in a drop of water. It can travel inside the gut of an animal. It can travel within the very cells of a plant. This predator is a master of disguise. It lives among us, yet we may not know it is there until the damage is already done. Its presence can alter entire landscapes, change the course of a forest's life, silence the songs of birds. It is a force of nature, powerful and pervasive, hiding in plain sight. This is not a single entity, but a vast and varied group of organisms. They are the microscopic, the overlooked tiny agents of immense change. Among the most elusive of these predators are the viruses. They are not truly alive in the way we understand it. A virus is a fragment of genetic code, wrapped in a protein shell. It is a ghost in the machine of life. It cannot reproduce on its own. It needs a host. It must hijack living cells to make copies of itself. The ultimate parasite, a predator at the most fundamental level. A virus can sweep through a population with devastating speed. It can target a single species, leaving others untouched. A specialist in its deadly craft. Frogs with permeable skin are vulnerable. They become sick. They grow lethargic. Soon, the pond falls silent. The predator works without a face. The only evidence is absence. Insects, too, can be predators in disguise. We think of them as prey for birds and lizards, but move to new lands without enemies, they can dominate. The emerald ash borer is a powerful example, small, rarely seen. The true damage comes from hidden larvae. They sever water and nutrient flow, girdling from within. The march is slow, but relentless. Signs: D-shaped exit holes, winding tunnels under the bark. A creature no bigger than a coin can re-engineer an ecosystem. Another hidden predator, the woolly adelgid on hemlocks. Feeding on stored starches, it starves giants of the forest. Lose the canopy, warm the water. Fish and wildlife feel the shock. They hitch rides in firewood, nursery stock, even on vehicles. Don't move firewood. A simple rule that stops leaps across counties. The kingdom of fungi operates on a different plane, a world of threads and spores, a hidden network that connects and consumes. Partners in forests, yet formidable predators too. Patient, waiting years for the right moment. Their messengers ride wind and water to new hosts. Consider white nose syndrome in bats. Growing in torpor, it irritates and wakes them too often. Each wake burns precious fat. Energy runs out before winter ends. The fungus doesn't kill directly. It drives fatal choices. Chestnut blight entered wounds, spread through tissue, and felled a giant of the East. We detect these predators by symptoms and by environmental DNA, often before they strike. Decontamination is key. Clean gear blocks a persistent foe. Choose resistant varieties, mine soil and mulch sources to keep fungi at bay. The world of hidden predators is not to be feared. It is to be understood. Viruses, insects, and fungi are not evil, just life following its evolutionary path. Problems arise when balance is disrupted, often by our own movements. The mystery leads back to us. So does the solution. It begins with curiosity, with learning to look closer. Notice when something changes. Attention is the foundation of guardianship. We become sentinels, the watchers on the wall. Clean your gear. Don't move firewood. Choose native plants. Mind the fruit in your bag and the soil on your shoes. Small choices, multiplied, slow the spread and give ecosystems a chance.